Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're going to take you out to Baldwin, Florida to the Oreilly Auto Parts house. And they're going to be having a car show out there at the, I don't know if it's the grand opening or if it was what it was going on, but they decided to have a car show. And a lot of people showed up, so we went out to check it out. And there were actually a lot of cool cars out there. They packed them in the little area they had, and they even had them across the street at the bank. So it was a good show. A lot of cool cars came out. A lot of cars I hadn't seen. This is gonna be the car show cam. I hope you guys enjoy the video. There's not much on it because we didn't participate, but you know, there's gonna be other videos that are gonna be better. So if you want to just skip this one, skip right on by it. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Every day of the week, we're putting out videos, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Now let's rev it up for the car show.
Christmas chicken. Thursday, November 20th at the Florida Theater. Get details and register for your chance to win tickets on our contest page at WEJZ.com.
Oh, Mr. Gecko, is it true what they say about Geico's emergency roadside service?
All on up to it, yes, it's all true.
You mean to say Geico's emergency roadside service really is 24/7?
And it's available on the phone or app. It's all part of getting more with Geico. I don't mean to be rude, but come and scooch past you. You're standing in the way of my yoga class.
One more, Mr. Gecko, the fans know. Why yoga?
It helps with my posture. It's my back. It ain't what it used to be.
Get more than your savings. Get more with Geico.
What if you had the smartest Wi-Fi? If you did, it'd be Xfinity, of course. And it'd come with their best state-of-the-art equipment. It would boost speeds to the devices that need it the most, prioritizing your most important connections, whether you were streaming, gaming, or gaming while pretending to work. And it would let you stream 4. That's right, 4 games on
Alright guys, so we just left the Oreilly Auto Parts car show in Baldwin. It was a good little show. A lot of old cars out there. A lot of good classic cars. I liked it. Yeah. Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Oreilly Auto Parts of Baldwin, Florida car show. We really don't know what was going on with this car show other than the fact that it was a car show. They just, for some reason, decided they were having a car show. Could have been a grand opening car show. Could have been a 1 year, 5 year, whatever anniversary car show. We don't know. But it was a good one. They had a lot of cool cars out there that hadn't come to any other car show in the area recently. Or at least that I had seen. And you know, I'm your North Florida car show guy. I've seen it all. And there were quite a few that I hadn't seen. So maybe they just got them finished over the summer. Or maybe they just decided to come out to this one random show. I don't know. But anyway, we got to enjoy it. Now you guys get to enjoy it online. So I hope you'll give us a like, subscribe, comment, share it around to your friends. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers on YouTube. Just so we can get some of that sweet YouTube money. We're a low budget, one person operation most of the time. We do have assistants on car show days. But hey, overall, we're a one-person army here. So, any help you could be on getting YouTube, getting us to our 500 subscribers. We're at 311. So, we still got a little bit of ways to go. But it'd be great if you guys could help us out on that. Share it around. Leave us a thumbs up. You know, whatever you want to do. Just anything, any little interaction helps. So, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're going to be headed out to somewhere this next weekend. It'll be posted online where we're going. I don't know where it is yet. But hey, we'll be out there somewhere. We'll be out here in the North Florida area going to a car show. Anywhere from Daytona Beach to Savannah, Georgia. We're going to be covering that area somewhere in the middle. Anyway, we'll see you guys out at the car show.